Hello, Team Moodle Investigators. This is Nezaket, and I'd like to show you what I did. First of all, I created this Padlet link and gave it the name MM12, Team Moodle Investigators. Somehow I found it difficult to communicate in the same environment, and I hope that this Padlet wall will help us create materials together. And if you look at this course syllabus for Moodle course, I copied this and I made some changes on it. But again, I couldn't add you as collaborators as I didn't know the email of each person. And let me show you what you can do here. What did I do? Internet is a bit slow, so sorry for this. So here, course syllabus for Moodle course on activities and resources. This is actually the last decision we came up with. And maybe as course title, we can choose something like Moodle activities and resources for effective teaching and learning. It seems to be similar to Anna's course, but let's look at this. Here, using Canva, I came up with this logo, and here you can see the roof, and Moodle course can be our house, and we can investigate activities and resources for teaching and learning. Of course, we can see each activity as a room to the house, Moodle course, but if we don't really open that window, we don't know what is involved in that. So I thought maybe this logo represents what we are planning to do. Okay, as an abstract, I suggest this course aims to teach some useful activities and resources that teachers can use to enhance language use. And here, of course, you can add this. You can add skills or which language you want to improve or whatever you want. Here, who is this course for? The course can help anyone who wants to design an online course for a group of students or teachers, or the teachers who use Moodle as a learning management system can make their courses more interactive and enjoyable for their learners. So this shows that we want to investigate interactive tools and the tools that makes the course, make the course enjoyable. And all participants can make better use of the resources offered by Moodle MOOCs, and course design managers can benefit from the videos created and exploit the resources offered. So there may be lots of benefits for this, and it can be open to many different people, appealing to many different people. And how much? I think we have to change this. Initially I said 4 or 5 weeks, just like EVO courses, but let's see. Again, with your feedback we can change these. Objectives of the course: by the end of the session, the participants will have investigated and practiced how to make use of making online quizzes. This is Reverian's suggestion. Thanks so much to him. And they will have investigated how to make interactive lesson videos using H5P for their Moodle course. I have some difficulty here because I created YouTube videos, but H5P doesn't allow YouTube videos, so I need to work with Vimeo or some other videos, and that will be my part. Actually, I really want to improve this, and by investigating this, maybe I can also teach it. And practice making a Google Sheet to keep all useful resources with QR codes. This is something I really like. It helps us keep a record of all the useful tools. When we come up with all these lesson videos, maybe we can keep them together on one sheet, and whenever we feel the need to go to those videos, we can always reach them easily with QR codes, so that our mobiles can have access to them very easily. I added dots here because I don't know what each participant will do. So we will improve it again with your contributions. And by the way, this is open to editing, and anyone on the internet can edit it right now. So if you let me know your email addresses, I will add them as well. Topic sections can be, first of all, maybe we can start, of course there will be an introductory section which gives information about course syllabus and the others. But here, I think the most useful things are like the Google Sheets and Google Drive, Google Docs to work together, and Padlet. Padlet is really nice to put things together, and we can see everything on one page. That really helps. So week 1 can focus on all these supplementary tools that will help us design our own course. And how to create quizzes in Moodle activities. I put it here, but we will see how it goes. How to use interactive lessons with H5P. And again, maybe pools or maybe book. If our course participants focus on that, that will be great. But let's see what they choose to do. So we have lots of questions here. The platform, what platform will you be using? Shall I say both? Maybe I can say both. Okay. And let's again see our team members' opinions on this. And what else is there? Yeah. Course syllabus for Moodle course on activities and resources. What technology? What tools will you be using? Question is here. So we will be using Screenomatic, I said. Google Apps, Vimeo or YouTube. And all the others, again, will be added by you. So the moderators, I just started with my information, put a picture. So I thought maybe you can do the same and you can add yours. And that will be great if you can add yours. So right now, okay. This was a Google Doc, so it automatically saved everything here. I will close it. And I had already taken the share link. So let's see if it is, I have already put it on Google. Sorry for making you wait, but I think I clicked on so many things at a time. So let me look at Padlet. Yeah, I forgot to edit. Okay, yes, we are on our Padlet page. So I want to put this by double clicking on the page. I double click. As I said before, the internet is very slow. I'll add our course syllabus link, and it is here, and it is open for your feedback. Yes, it is here. Please click on it and write as you like. You can immediately go on to the Google Doc to make changes. There is one more thing I want to add here, and that is task allocation one. Let me go back to that and again share it. Sorry, so it wasn't this one. Sorry. This was the teamwork policy. Copy link. Okay. And go back to our Padlet wall. And I will add this one as well. This requires lots of improvement. I haven't done much work on that. But I want to repeat again, please feel free to make any changes on the documents, and please give feedback on how we are continuing. Any kind of feedback is Much appreciated. I'll be so happy. Okay, to motivate us, maybe I can also add one more picture. So I downloaded some pictures from the internet before. I'll go to them and okay. Yes, I would like to choose this picture to motivate ourselves. So each of us will contribute with one thing maybe, but eventually it will be great because we will be able to improve everything we do. Okay. I look forward to designing this course. Thanks again for your contributions. That's it for now. See you next time.